Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add logic in SurveyMonkey. All right, let's begin. First, log into your SurveyMonkey account and go to the Design Survey section. To use Question Skip Logic, select the question you want to modify and open the Logic tab. Here, you can direct respondents to different pages, specific questions, or even the end of the survey based on their answers. You can also disqualify respondents if necessary. Make sure to click Save after setting up the logic and preview your survey to test the paths. A helpful tip is to place questions with logic at the end of a page to avoid navigation issues. For page skip logic, available on paid plans, go to the top of the design page and select Page Logic. Specify the destination page, end of survey, or a disqualification page. So that's basically how you can add logic in SurveyMonkey. That's it for this video. Thanks.